just picked up this Kirby sentria. It has the shampooer, brand new, the attachments barely used, and here it is. I haven't turned it on yet. There's that. I was told transmission issues. It's very full back. Alright, let's try it. Okay. Sounds very healthy. Transmission is silent. It also doesn't stink, which is pretty cool. Let's see how the brush rolls go. Yeah. I don't think it's had much use. So this is our, oh, it's not even like there. What? Ooh. I don't know, but this is the start of our Kirby sentria fix-up. Yeah, it's just that I need to put a pedal on there, which I can do. So let's get started. So I took this off of a G4 that I had for parts, so this will pop in there, and we should be fine and dandy and good to go. So let's go ahead and replace that and clean it up. Okay, so I've got it down to this. Now we're just gonna take this off and get to the transmission so I can put that pedal on there. Okay, so I've got it installed, and it does, in fact, seem like it is going to work. So this thing is really clean. It's barely used. They got it routinely serviced, so nice. I'm gonna fire up the air compressor and blow this out. Okay, got it in. All seems to be working well. So let's get it in, all put back together, and then I'm gonna clean it up. So yeah. Alright, here it is. I got it finally put back together. First time I put the transmission in, I put it in wrong. And I didn't put this bar that connects to the handle movement in, so it just constantly went backwards. So I had to fix that. Took the bag off, washed it, and put a new bag in there. Gave it a good clean. I'm gonna polish it, but it isn't too bad. I think it'll look like new once I'm done. Cleaned the, I hate that thing. This feels cheap. Cleaned the brush roll, and it is super nice. Put her new belt, bag, and she's looking good. And the transmission's also really good and quiet. Sprinkled some scent beads to vacuum up, and let's go. Alright, so put in drive, and it very quiet. The transmission is a bit jumpy, but all I gotta do is just grease the gears up in it, and it should be perfect. In the future, I'll hopefully demo this vacuum to you guys, show you how to use it, because it's essentially an lavalier, and I haven't seen maybe like 2 really good videos of how to use these things, so why not add another? Alright,